Hello everyone! Welcome to Easy English VT. Today, we will learn easy English at the airport. Let's start! Good morning.
May I see your ticket?
Sure, here it is.
Where are you flying today?
I am flying to London.
May I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one bag.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay.
Please place your bag here.
Okay.
Walk through the scanner.
Sure.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Your gate is A12.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, where is gate A12?
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What time is the flight?
The flight leaves at 10:30.
The flight leaves at 10:30.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Where is the restroom?
It is next to the cafe.
Thank you.
No problem.
Can I have a bottle of water?
Certainly.
How much is it?
$2.
Can you help me?
Of course.
I can't find my gate.
Let me show you.
Is this gate A12?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
Have a nice flight. Boarding has started.
Great!
May I see your boarding pass?
Here you go. Excuse me, where is seat 15A?
It is by the window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I put my bag here?
Yes, that's fine.
Thank you. No problem. May I have some water?
Certainly.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What time will we arrive?
Around 6 p.m.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Have we arrived?
Yes, we have.
Great!
Welcome.
How?
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for vacation.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Where can I get my luggage?
At belt number 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where can I get a taxi?
Outside the terminal. Outside the terminal.
Thank you for your help.
Have a nice day.
Great job today! Thank you for learning with Easy English VT. Please like, subscribe, and practice every day. See you next